Hey guys, JP here with JP Street and Performance. Got another unboxing video today. We're getting back into chassis setups, so we'll be doing some really cool things here with the shop in the near future. Let's see what we got. Go ahead and get this unbox going.
Built with soul, not just steel.
See what we got here. All right, we got the Proform 7,000 pound slim wireless vehicle scales, so we can start doing corner weight balancing for our chassis setups. Freaking sweet. I'm excited about this. Something I've been wanting to buy for a couple years, and spiderweb. So let's see how this thing is boxed. Some really good dense foam here. We got the beautiful case right here, and it is on wheels. Got a sweet Proform product guide here, so we can look through their other products. That looks like it for this. All right. Look at that case, guys. Really nice. The case does have wheels and a roller. Check that out. So that's nice. I'll be able to keep it off away, keep everything protected. So let me go ahead and get this thing opened up here. Okay. All right, comes with the batteries. That is awesome. Here's our head unit right there. Comes with a charging port. And here is our scales. We're gonna keep this in the moisture bag. Look how nice this is, all foam protected. They do have handles, so you can just pull them out of the foam. That is freaking really sweet, you guys. That is awesome. Batteries go right here. Looks like that is the sensor. They're labeled individually, left front, right front, and so on. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll skip the boring part. Obviously, you guys should know how to put it in AA batteries. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the batteries in. And then I think what we're gonna do, just to do a real quick test, is we'll go ahead and throw the scales under the F-Type and just get a corner weight balance. Pretty much the car, besides the wing and the diffuser, is pretty much stock. So, well, besides performance upgrades, obviously, but like body-wise, none of the weight should have changed much. The tires are a little lighter than stock, probably about 20 pounds a rim. The stock rims that were on this car were freaking heavy. I think I weighed them at like 40-something pounds, 50-something pounds. But it was 5 years ago since I've had these. So, but yeah, let me make sure these even have juice in the head unit. If not, we can plug that in over here and then put the batteries in, and we'll do a quick little walk around test and see how good this thing works. Okay, so it does come with batteries, so you can do this completely mobile trackside, which is awesome. But it also does come with the port here, the charging cord, which goes right in here. So I guess if you're, you know, in a shop, you could just have this plugged in, not need batteries in here, just in the scales. So what we're gonna do, go ahead and turn on everything. Okay, currently all the sensors are working. Everything is at 0 pounds. Total is 0 pounds, 0 on all 4 corners. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the car up on the scales, and then let's see what an F-Type really weighs in real life. See how well it's corner balanced from the factory. Again, very minor weight with a carbon fiber wing added to the rear, but let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so we are at within 2% from the factory, front to rear. So if you look here, our fronts are 26.9% of the weight, 26.1% of the weight, and then 24 and 22 for a total of 38.92. Now, on paper, you go on Jaguar's website for an F-Type R with the carbon ceramic brakes, which are lighter, coupe, V8 all-wheel drive, it gives you a weight of about 3,400 to 3,500 pounds. Now, that's bone stock, usually no fluids in it. They weigh it straight out of the showroom, no gasoline in it, no nothing. So, you know, basically, if that's true, we're at about 400 pounds in total of fluids and all the ancillary stuff, anything we've added to the car, subtracted from the car, everything. So it's getting pretty stable at the 3,900 pound range. Still, I mean, for like, we're pushing 700 plus horsepower now, and we're getting ready to do more all-wheel drive. It's still not that bad. I mean, yeah, it's a little heavier than we'd like it to be, but you know, the seats alone, from what I understand, the factory F-Type seats for the 26-way adjustable, these are 26-way adjustable. These things are like 200 pounds collectively. So if we put in some track seats, that literally can drop out about 200 pounds in total. I think they're maybe 150 pounds. I think they're like 75 pounds a seat or 80 pounds a seat. So that's a lot of weight right there, because the bolsters move, the lumbar, all the leg support, everything moves. Like, there's a gazillion motors in those chairs. So, but overall for the split, this is a really good split. This system works fantastically. I think we can see a cross weight. Nope, that zeroes everything out. Whoops, didn't want to do that. Function 100%. Okay, so I think yeah, I'll have to go back through the functions, but let's turn this off for now. So we should be able to see, we saw the percentages that are, I should probably talk to you guys in this camera. We've seen the percentages that were at each corner, 24 and 26% respectively. So about a 2% difference, which is pretty balanced for a factory car. I mean, that's pretty well thought out. You know, because a lot of times you'll see like a 40-60 split or something like that. So the fact is that these are all within 2% at each corner from the factory. That's a pretty well balanced car, so that's pretty exciting. But this is kind of more of a review. I know I'm talking a lot about the Jag, but I wanted to put the Proform to the test, where I got to read up on where in between each one, you can actually set it to the cross, if I remember correctly, to the cross reference to see how balanced it is diagonally, basically. I think there's a setting, one of the functions in here. So, but for now, really excited to have this Proform, really excited to be able to offer corner weight balancing. Our string alignment kit is coming next. It should have already been here, really. We'll be doing full custom packages, corner weight balancing, full bump stop travel on coilovers with full adjustment, and a track/street prep string alignment. So we'll be offering that here soon. For now, if you guys are looking for a corner weight scale, this does 7,000 pounds. So what's that? oh, I think that's what, 1,750 pounds per scale. That's pretty impressive. That's why I wasn't worried about lifting. The chassis is so stiff on this, you can lift one side, put it on 2 scales, which splits the difference, and then add the third point, the jack on the other side. Yeah, you're shifting some of the weight over here, but you're still lifting a lot of the weight with the jack. So we never reached over 1,700 pounds on any one of the scales, just doing it this way. Normally we'd put it on a rack. There's no rack in here, obviously, but we'd put it on a rack and lower it down evenly onto all 4 scales at the same time. But because this car is 3,900 pounds, I wasn't worried about the weight shifting too much on and splitting between the scales. So anyways, for now, learning, building, and sharing the ride. This is JP Street Performance. Until next time.